Yeah, I know it's after 11. I completely lost track of time, but today I want to talk about video and some really cool YouTube hacks. There are two things in my office that are really weird. You may have noticed whenever I turn on the camera, one of the lights always goes off. The second weird thing that happens is my TV. See how it's on? It goes on all by itself. I can't explain it, it just does. Whatever. Let's go back to YouTube. So first of all, a YouTube account is an absolute must. Content is a must. If you're not doing video, I don't know what else to say except you're completely missing out. It's the easiest way for your community to get to know you, like you, and trust you by actually seeing you and who you are as a person, as a human being, not just this real estate professional. I think you know how much I push video content. It's extremely, extremely important. Did I mention it's extremely important? Speaking of YouTube, I've been doing a little bit of research, a little bit of digging, and I came across this really cool Chrome app. It's an extension called TubeBuddy. I've been playing around with it today. This video is not a tutorial or anything like that on the extension, but I just want to make you aware of it. I'll put the link to TubeBuddy in the description below. It's absolutely free. You have to download it and add it to your Chrome. So it's not gonna work on Internet Explorer. I don't even know who uses that anymore. It's not for Firefox, it's not for Safari, it's for Chrome. By the way, use Chrome, it's amazing. You can get some amazing extensions and do some amazing hacks when it comes to your business. So why am I talking about TubeBuddy? This thing is like a spy. As a real estate agent, you have competition. There's competition everywhere. If your competition is on YouTube, and they're making videos and they're getting views and you're not, you're completely missing out and they are automatically getting the upper hand on you. The cool thing about TubeBuddy is you can actually go and spy on their YouTube channel. You can see what keywords they're using. You can see why their popular videos are popular. And that's something that I think is extremely powerful. This thing has so many features. I will not go through all of them, but the one thing that I like is SEO. It'll tell you what keywords to use and which ones not to use, what titles to use, whether your description is okay. What else does it do? It has a lot of bulk features where you can add end cards. It has a lot of templates you can use for your videos. Let's go to video SEO. That's my favorite one. So it has best practices. Essentially, it will scan your YouTube channel or a specific video. It will tell you what you're doing wrong. It will show you how to improve it. It's absolutely amazing. If your competition is uploading videos and they're getting views, you want to know why they're getting views, and you can apply that to your YouTube channel or a specific video. There are two ways you can actually utilize TubeBuddy. One is literally, like I said, spying on your competition, see what other real estate agents are doing. And second one, and I think this is the more important one, because as the digital mayor, your job is to go out there and create videos about your community. So TubeBuddy will tell you what words to use, what keywords to use, so your video gets found when somebody's searching, let's say for the business that you just interviewed. So if there's a popular establishment in your local area and it is getting searched on Google or YouTube, don't you want your video to be found where you're the person interviewing that business owner? It has so many advantages. And there's a free version that I'm using, and you can go all the way up to like a paid version. But the free version will give you a lot of amazing features. Download it and play with it. That's all I'm gonna say right now. Yeah, it's way after 11. I just wanted to shoot a quick video because I am all about consistency right now. I have a plan to upload a certain amount of videos. I have to keep on schedule, on track with what I'm doing. And since I figured this is what I was doing today, well, some of what I was doing today, I wanted to let you know what I've been working on, because I want to make sure my YouTube channel is there for you and it gets found by real estate agents. Well, wouldn't you want your YouTube channel to be found by your local community. So when somebody's looking for an agent or perhaps a business in your local neighborhood, maybe, just a thought. Anyway, that's it for me. We'll chat tomorrow. Take care.